world economy was greatly impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. How did this affect transaction risk stats for Asia? And what might we see in 2021? If we look at the number of deals placed over the last 6 years, the demand for W&I insurance has kept pace with pre-COVID levels. Given the significant slowdown of M&A activity from early 2020, we should see deal count rise again this year, as there is pent-up demand for deal making. And we hope you can ride this wave with us. Looking at the rates, they have stabilized at a low level across Asia in the last 2 years due to the new entrants in the market and increasing insurer familiarity with the region. Increased competition and pressure on rates means that now is a good time for insureds in the W&I market. 2020 saw PE overtake strategics as users of W&I. This could be due to the fact that most deals in 2020 had to be done virtually, and PEs were more comfortable with such arrangements. Clients often ask us how much insurance should we buy. Well, the average limit of liability continues to be at 20% of the deal value, but for larger deals, we are seeing limits at 10% on average. This is a useful reference for users looking to benchmark. AIG, Liberty, and HCC continue to be the top 3 insurers in Asia. Hardly surprising, as they are also the most established in this space within the region. As newer underwriters continue to refine their service offering to be more competitive, it will be interesting to see whether the top 3 insurers succeed in defending their positions.
Our stats show that overall deal flow has been largely sustained in spite of COVID-19. ASEAN experienced only a minor dip thanks to a quick recovery of the market around Q3. Comparatively, Japan's recovery was more gradual, resulting in a reduction in 2020 numbers. Korea numbers remain unchanged from the previous year. Deals in the Greater China region and India increased significantly compared to 2019, demonstrating great resilience in these very large domestic markets. So, it looks like demand for transactional risk insurance solutions looks set to continue to be strong in Asia.
Private equity clients were the most active users of W&I in most regions in 2020, with the Greater China region and India showing the greatest concentration of PE users with a focus on domestic deals during the time of COVID. In Japan, we saw a continuing trend of Japanese corporates being sophisticated users of W&I, drawing from past successes in using it as an effective tool for risk management in both domestic and outbound transactions.
Take a closer look at pricing by geography and you'll see rates mostly stable or even inching lower from the year before, which is good news for insureds. With the strong development of insurance markets in Asia to date, we are excited as to the possibilities for a maturing W&I market in Asia going forward.
Breaking down activity by sector, we saw a large portion of deals in real estate, healthcare, and technology. Delving into our real estate deals, 2020 featured industrial real estate, logistics facilities, and data centers, an unsurprising shift from previous years where office buildings, retail, and hospitality took center stage. Meanwhile, healthcare deals span subsectors such as diagnostic centers, OTC pharmaceuticals, and nursing care. We also saw approximately 19% of policies placed cover targets in the tech space, where businesses range from cloud computing to digital consulting, chip manufacturing, enterprise solutions, and e-commerce.
I hope these statistics are useful to you, and do stay tuned for our next video where we interview a financial advisor on what deals he will see in 2021 and what he looks out for in choosing his W&I choice broker. Thank you!